Hello.
Hey, how are you?
How you doing
What's going
today?
on, man?
How you guys doing today?
Good, you?
I'm pretty well. How are you?
Too bad. What are we up to?
Just taking some pictures and video
Of what?
of the facility here.
No.
You're not allowed to.
I'm not allowed
State
to
property.
I'm not allowed to take pictures and
Not
and
of
video
the
of the
facility. You
facility.
can
Not
walk
of the
up and down the road all you want, but you can't take pictures of our vehicles and stuff in the parking lot.
Can I get your guys' names?
Yeah. My name is Sergeant Campo.
Okay.
Officer Gardner.
Also, your supervisor?
Yeah, I'm the
Sergeant Campo?
supervisor. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. We
So-
don't. If you walk up and down the road, you can walk up and down the road all you want, but we have license plates and everything, and we don't know what you're doing with it. You understand?
Yeah.
This opening conversation starts polite, almost friendly, but quickly shifts into authority control. The officers begin questioning why photos and video are being taken and immediately claim restrictions because it's a state prison. The citizen stays calm and asks logical questions about property boundaries and legality. This moment is important because many confrontations begin exactly like this, respectful tone on the surface, but underlying tension about rights, security, and authority already building beneath the conversation.
License plates are public. Why wouldn't I be able to take pictures of the facility?
Because it's a state prison. Okay.
I'm not on
You
your
have,
property.
you have to get authorization from New York State before you do it.
I'm not on your property. That would be if I was on
Where's
your
your
property.
vehicle at?
That would be if I was on your property. I'm not on your property.
Okay, so let me have your ID then.
So you're not even law enforcement. You're just a correctional.
That's all right. Yeah.
You're a correctional officer.
But I can call the state police if you like. I mean,
But you're a
I'm trying
correctional.
to be-
Your
Right.
authority ends behind that gate.
you
Right
are
at this
correct.
gate, your
You are
authority ends.
correct.
You're just a regular civilian like me.
Public accountability only works when people understand both their rights and the limits of authority. Welcome to People's Court Audit, a channel focused on education, transparency, and real-world encounters. The footage you're watching highlights a confrontation about filming near a correctional facility and public property boundaries. These situations happen often when security concerns and constitutional rights collide. Today, we break down exactly what was said, what laws usually say, and what lessons viewers can learn from this encounter.
Sure.
And I'm just a civilian who's exercising his constitutional right,
Okay.
freedom of press.
So you don't want to give me your ID then?
I'm not going to, no.
Okay.
Not
No
at all.
problem.
Not at all.
I'll just
You have
go
no
ahead.
authority, sir.
That's all right. We'll get some authority.
Okay.
Thank you.
You do what you need to do, okay?
Yep.
Take care, guys.
Okay, young man, you have to step over the other side of the street, okay? This is state property here,
This is
okay?
public property right here.
No, this is state.
You
Step
see the-
over to the other side, please.
You see these power lines over here?
Yeah, copy that.
That means it's a public easement,
Okay.
sir.
So
That
you
means-
don't want to go
and-
over there?
Here the main conflict begins. Officers claim taking pictures of vehicles and the facility is not allowed because it is state property. The citizen pushes back, saying he is not on prison property. This is where property lines and public easements become critical legally, especially in New York. Many government facilities sit next to public access roads, which creates confusion. Notice how the citizen stays respectful but firm, which helps keep the situation verbal instead of turning physical.
Anybody can walk on this side of the street, sir.
Okay, that's fine.
This is a public easement.
That's fine. The state troopers are en route, okay?
Okay, that's fine.
Yeah.
That's fine. And you said your name was Sergeant
Did
Campo?
you have any ID?
You said your name was Sergeant Campo, right?
Yes, C-O-M-P-O, Campo.
Campo.
Yeah.
Campo.
You from around here? Or?
Oh, I'm not going to answer any questions. I'm just going to,
Okay.
I'll answer one question. I'm an independent journalist.
Oh, great.
I'm
Nice.
just gathering content for a story.
Okay.
Working on a story here out in
Okay.
Malone.
That's great. Should be careful though with the snow and everything inside the road. I mean, I hate to see you get hit by a car or something.
Oh, yeah, no, it's all right.
It's not nice out here.
It's fine.
Where's your vehicle at?
It's fine. Oh, no, I don't have a vehicle.
How'd you get here?
I walked.
From local?
I walked, yeah.
Yeah. You couldn't walk from very far away.
Why not?
Now the interaction shifts toward identification demands. The correction officer asks for ID even while admitting the citizen is not on prison property. The citizen refuses politely and explains he's exercising press rights. This moment highlights a key legal reality. Authority usually depends on location and suspicion of a crime. The officer seems unsure about jurisdiction limits, which is common in these encounters. Calm refusal combined with explanation often prevents escalation and keeps interactions within legal boundaries.
Okay. You have any
Yeah, so
other
look,
questions?
these power lines over here.
I'm not going to get into
No, that's
the
a public
legality.
That's a
fine.
public utility.
That's fine.
So that means that everything on the other side of the power line, that's called a public easement.
Okay. I don't.
And we have a
I'm
right.
not going to argue with you on that. It's not my place to do
Yeah,
it.
because
But the thing is, you're not telling me who you are. I don't know.
I
who
just told you I'm an independent journalist.
Right, but you didn't give me any ID to show me that you're a journalist or anything. So
Just respectfully that I don't have to.
okay, that's
all.
fine.
It's my right not to give
That's
it to
fine.
you. The same way you see how you're recording me, that's your right. You see how it works? It works both ways.
No, I just have a job to do. I get directed
No,
to
but your
do
job
whatever.
is to protect what's going on inside. And like I said, Sergeant, I don't mind you coming up to me and asking me what I'm doing. But to be real, you don't have any authority out here. And secondly, I should have dispelled your fear. I told you I'm a journalist.
Well, you could have came here and asked the facility for
I'm a
permission to.
journalist. I told
When the deputy and state trooper arrive, the tone becomes more professional and investigative instead of confrontational. The trooper listens first, then acknowledges the citizen is on public property. Many public filming rights cases have been reinforced through rulings connected to the Supreme Court of the United States and lower federal courts. This shows why knowing constitutional protections matters. The trooper focuses on safety instead of restriction, which usually leads to smoother outcomes.
You're a journalist, so that we know who we're out, or we don't
I'm
know
not
who you
I
are.
could just be quiet and not say
Right.
anything, but I'm telling you I'm a journalist. I'm trying to be reasonable here, and
Yep.
I don't see
You see
I don't
my
see
side?
I don't see what's the issue. No, because I told you what I'm doing here.
Right.
You should say, "Oh, go back inside and tell
But
the lieutenant,
most
the captain."
journalists will come in and tell them who you are, ID themselves, and ask for
Oh, no.
permission to do it.
If I was going,
if you did that, that'd be great.
If I was going on your property, I certainly would have done that. I would have done it if I was going on your property.
How long are you going to be here?
There's another correctional facility up the road, Bear Hill, correct?
Bear Hill and upstate.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm gonna go check those out before I get out of here.
Okay.
How's it going?
Hey, how you doing today, sir?
Not too bad. I'm just curious, what you're doing in our parking lot. What are you videotaping?
Who are you, sir?
I am Deputy Marshal from the Sheriff's Office.
Deputy Marshal.
Yeah.
I'm a journalist.
Okay.
I'm working on a story on the Franklin County Public Safety Complex here.
Okay.
For publicly accessible areas.
Okay. I also see you were recording the state prisons also
Yeah, correct. I already spoke with somebody.
over there.
Yeah, I spoke with somebody.
Do you
over
have
there.
any credentials that
And
I
I
could
told
show for my?
This section shows resolution through communication. The trooper confirms the citizen is allowed to record while simply advising him to stay safe and avoid traffic hazards. The correction officer still seems uncomfortable, but stops pushing enforcement. This moment proves something important. Once proper authority arrives and laws are clarified, many confrontations de-escalate quickly. Knowledge of rights plus calm behavior often shifts encounters from confrontation to simple documentation and safety conversation.
Administration? Do you have any credentials showing where you work?
I don't have any credentials on me. I don't show credentials only because everybody, including yourself, deputy, we have freedom of press. It's a right.
Do you have any ID on you?
I don't give ID unless I have you suspect me of committing a crime.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
All right. Thanks.
And
deputy.
where's your vehicle? Where are you headed? Are you going
I
to your
walked
vehicle
here. I walked here.
now? You did?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I'll let my supervisor know.
Yeah, sure. No problem. Let's make contact with this state trooper right here.
How's it going today?
Hey, how are you, sir?
Not too bad. What's going on?
Oh, nothing much. I'm an independent journalist.
Okay.
I'm just working on a story on
All right.
public property.
What's the story?
Oh, it's on the correctional facility here and this public safety complex over here.
Oh, okay. So you're basically just doing the recording for that.
Yeah, I'm recording for my story. I can't really get into the details until it's published yet, but
Where's it published though?
through my website.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Department policy here, highway. Okay.
See, Sergeant, Sergeant Campo, that policy applies when I'm on your property. And as I explained to you before, I'm not on your property, so you have no authority over me, and that policy doesn't apply.
The ending reminds viewers why awareness matters. Multiple officers tried to question and restrict filming until legal clarity arrived. Encounters like this happen daily when policy, fear, and law mix together. Documentation protects everyone, citizens, officers, and truth itself. So what do you think? Were the officers protecting security properly or misunderstanding public filming rights? Share your thoughts below and stay tuned for more real-world encounter breakdowns. Stay aware, stay calm, stay informed.
Because policy doesn't trump the Constitution of the United States. I'm on what's called a public easement. Where all my rights are completely in store. Not breaking any laws.
Okay.
Not doing anything wrong.
All right. I do have a report that I got to do. So mind if I describe your basic information?
Yeah, I'm not going to give my information to you.
No?
No. If you want, you can write your report, good citizen.
Good citizen?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, how do I look you up to get the video?
No, I can't. You'll get it. What's your name?
Trooper Harrigan.
Trooper Harrigan?
Yeah.
I'll send it to you. You have a card?
No, they don't give us cards.
They don't give you cards?
No.
I'll send it to you. I'll make sure you get it somehow.
Okay.
But I'm not going to give my personal information only because you don't suspect me of committing a crime, do you?
No, you're on public property. You're allowed to do whatever you got to do.
Okay.
All right.
I would just ask.
Okay. So over there.
Yeah.
That's parking lot.
Yeah.
Public property, parking lot. Okay. So try to stay on the road.
A public parking lot.
Okay. And stay out of traffic. Don't obstruct anything. Okay.
I'm not obstructing anything.
And roads are slippery, so try not to get hit. All right.
Sure. No problem. No
It's
problem.
like I explained to him, we should have came to the facility, asked the superintendent for permission first, and we would have been a lot easier.
I'm on public property, and the troopers explaining that to you now. Remember, you said that this is private property. This is the state property. It's not. It's called public easement.
All right. Well, I'm gonna go talk to him.
Yeah,
and
sure.
you're all set to go do whatever you need to do.
You too.